head over to the NQ, the NASDAQ, and check out what, whoops, I did not want to do that, hold on. Got to make sure I keep my charts set up properly. Don't want to change the time frame on the intradays to a weekly. All right, same thing, guys. We're getting a bit extended. We're getting pretty damn far away from the weekly 20. The weekly 20 is lining up really perfectly with the monthly 20 as well up there. Any kind of rips up into those levels, that's going to be like the big short area. Prior to that, you're going to have this 13.5. And, you know, I would actually probably be very interested in this 13K level as well, with it being the round psychological level. Let's go ahead and look into the daily chart here. Support, I'm going to actually be looking versus last week's lows as like my first level of support. I don't have an alert there. I'll just throw one right now. Whoops. No, I was doing that. Hold on. In case you guys don't understand how I set my levels or my alerts, I like to do them just so they're good for 1 week, right? So I have them expire on the Saturday so that, you know, next Saturday when I'm doing my Sunday prep type stuff, these alerts will have expired and they won't still be sitting here. Yeah, so I will play against last week's lows. If we get underneath there, I'm willing to step aside and let this thing see where it wants to come. You can see back here we had some levels that were pretty interesting. We'll call it 10.7 and probably 10.9 yet. But again, we'll see if we can get under last week's lows before those come into play. I have the same thought on NASDAQ as I do with the S&P, and that is just that I do think that there's probably a rally around the corner that's going to catch some shorts off guard. I want to make sure I have my shopping list ready for names I'm willing to get long if I see that turn. And so we'll get into those when we get into the individual ideas. Bitcoin, actually,